In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a typeform into your website. Whether you're looking to enhance user engagement, collect valuable feedback, or simply streamline your site's functionality, embedding a typeform can be a great solution. Let's dive into the process and make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to access your Typeform account. If you haven't already done so, log in to your Typeform account. Once you're in, navigate to the Share panel of the form you wish to embed on your website. This is where you'll find all the options you need to tailor your form to fit seamlessly into your web environment. Now, you'll need to choose an Embed option. Typeform gives you a variety of modes to select from, depending on how you want your form to appear on your site. The standard mode allows the form to be embedded inline directly on your page, making it a part of the page content. If you prefer the form to take up more real estate, the full page mode ensures it occupies the entire page. For those with limited space or a preference for a less intrusive form, consider the pop-up mode, which appears as a pop-up when triggered. There's also the slider option that slides in from the side, and the popover that appears as a clickable button that opens the form. Lastly, the side tab option is a tab that stays fixed on the side of the page, easily accessible for visitors. Be sure to preview each option to see which fits best for your site's design and user experience. Once you've selected your preferred embed mode, it's time to customize the embed settings. This is a crucial step to ensure that the form aligns with your website's responsive design. Adjust settings for desktop and mobile previews to make sure your form looks great across all devices, as user experience may vary between desktop and mobile users. You can also set launch triggers, such as having the form pop up on page load when a user shows exit intent, or after they've scrolled a certain percentage down the page. Additionally, decide if you want the form to automatically close once submitted, which can create a more streamlined experience for your users. When you're happy with your settings, go ahead and click Start Embedding to generate the code. Once the code is ready, simply copy it to your clipboard. Now, it's time to insert this code into your website. To do this, paste the embed code into the HTML of your website where you want the form to appear. If you're using a website platform like WordPress, Squarespace, Webflow, or Shopify, you'll find specific embedding instructions provided that cater to these platforms, ensuring the integration process is as smooth as possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a typeform into your website, enhancing user interaction and collecting essential data effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments below.